desk. You ready?
Yeah.
Look how much ice cream. Jenny.
My name.
What happened?
Mama, can I fold this? Mama, can I fold this?
What happened to you?
Can I fold this?
Jenny.
No, don't mess it up. Leave it up there.
Jenny.
I'll pay it with for money.
Jenny.
It's Riley's distracting her. Right, get back real quick.
Let her. Is it good?
I can't see her. Look, she's sneezing again.
It's not a sneeze. She goes.
Oh my goodness.
She grabbed the napkin. She grabbed the napkin.